Hi, welcome back, everybody. MH Box Breakers. I jumped into my local store at Collectors Books and Cards. They uh, they are great down there, and just popped in, grabbed a couple of boxes. Thought I'd make a quick video for you and have some fun this afternoon. And so, what we will do is we'll just bang out this little box break and see what happens. These two cards will be up on my site for auction at MH Auctions and Sales. I will put the comments in the description box and below. If you like the videos, like and subscribe, and I will be looking to do some more expensive videos in the new year. I'd like to open about 50, do a video of a $1,500 box opening, mixed boxes and things. So yeah, I'm excited about the new year. So let's get started here. Do a quick open up here. So, and if you guys have any preferences to, well, let's break the seal first. That would be smart. What you might like to see being broken, any high-end product or whatever, because that's the deal. I'm trying to do as much high-end product as possible. So that's it. So our first card. Oops, sorry, I'll square that up for you. First card out of the buyback is the Philip Myers rookie card, 132 of 199. I can get that to focus up a little bit better. There we go. So Philip Myers, 132 of 199, and now the buyback autograph is a autograph certificate buyback of Hedrick Sundin. Nice card there. Yeah, there's the certificate on the back, like I pulled it, and the piece right here. Sorry, guys, I wasn't centering that correctly. So this one I can't see a number on it. Just says the certificate, and doesn't look like it's numbered. The autograph's kind of tough to see up in the corner there, but looks like it's just one of his OPG cards. Refractor. So yeah, good first hit there. Not the greatest of autographs, but let's put them up here. So that one doesn't look like it was numbered at all, so I'm not too sure what to make of that. Thought these were all numbered, but I guess I was wrong. Okay. Hopefully I have some better luck in this one. Kind of like doing it this way, opposed to doing it. So our first piece here, Matthew Barzell, base card, 189 of 199 of Matthew Barzell. Come on, focus there, camera. Thank you. Matthew Barzell. And our buyback autograph is Martin Brodeur, 4 of 20. Mr. Martin Brodeur, number 4 of 20. Upper deck portrait. Looks like there. So nothing spectacular, but a couple of nice okay hits, I guess. The Brodeur is not too bad, 4 of 20 for all you Brodeur fans. And again, the Henrik Sundin has got me a little mystified, but I was hoping to see a number on it, but again, no number. but it does look like it came out of O-Pee-Chee Platinum and has a little bit of a refractor to it. So I don't know if that's anything there or not. So anyhow, thanks again, guys. Just a quick hit video in the new year. I'll be doing to get some higher end brakes and like some more cup will be coming and things like that and whatnot. So I look forward to the new year. Thanks again. Bye for now.